Alright, this is going to be attempt number 2. I'm still running the same 3S 5200 battery, the generic 3650 3900 kV motor, and 60 amp speed controller. GPS still on the roof. This time, modified chalk towers lowered the front end a bunch. Different tires with a little bit more compliance, and hopefully a better parking lot. So make sure the GPS is actually connected. Start, stop. Seems to be working. See what happens. Depending on what the speed is, I'm going to keep rolling and running a few attempts today. Trying to keep it all in one film. Let's see what the phone says. Come on. Connect, please. There we go. 41. We will go again. New tires feel much more stable at high speed. Still a bit bouncy though. Oh, that's a problem. Wheels still straight. Yeah, close enough. Gonna stand in the middle this time. Well, we'll check what or if that got any faster. Yeah, 44. Go out for another run. Bicycling a little bit. And upside down. at 48 that time. I'm gonna do one more run here and then probably move to a different parking lot. Theoretical max from calculations say gearing under no load RPM can hit 70, but I'm sure there's a good amount of sag in RPM. Are we broken? Oh, sure are. That ain't supposed to do that. Oh well.